always think about cats sort of lounging in the sun and enjoying being hot and so on, but they can also struggle in the temperatures, particularly when they continue like they have been over the last few weeks. Cats are really good at hiding when they're not feeling great, so it is important to keep an eye on your cat. If they start sort of showing things like getting a bit agitated, being flat, rapid breathing, hot, if their skin's hot to the touch, that kind of thing, it's important to give your vet a call to see if maybe your cat needs a bit of extra support there. It's also really important to have plenty of fresh drinking water available to them. Sometimes cats might sort of prefer it when it's running, so that you can get like little water fountains and that kind of thing. It's sort of what works for your cat. You can also do little tricks like putting a bit of tuna water into the freezer and creating nice little ice cubes for them to lick, or their yogurty kind of treats, create an ice cream for them by popping them in the freezer as well.
Benefits of using cooling mats is obviously they stay cooler for longer, so you can keep those in the fridge and then they can just be ready for any time when you might need them, or if your dog is looking for somewhere to have a bit of a cooler lie down, you can just have those available to them. Obviously, if you're looking for a slightly easier or cheaper alternative than just wetting a towel, has the completely same effect. The main things that we like to advise during extreme temperatures is that you don't have to walk your dogs during that time. It can be extremely difficult for them to regulate their temperature when it's pretty high. So either take them very, very early or very late in the evenings, depending on what the temperatures are, but also that you can miss a walk if it is too hot outside. Obviously, things like walking on pavements or certain surfaces can also burn paws as well.
Probably kissed him back.
Oh, that's it.